I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to talk about Moderna here today. But before I get to that, I want to talk about something related to this, which is right now I know my brother Gary's been sending out emails on this. We started our Black Friday and now Cyber Monday sale on my educational products, and it's a 25% across the board on all of these things. You got to be a member, and that if you're just a trial member, that's fine too. But I'll tell you, our most popular course that I've ever taught, it was kind of surprising to me, but pleasantly surprising, is my day trading course, the 59-minute trader. That's 25% off as well. And I'll tell you this, if you get that course, you learn what I'm teaching you, and then you follow those rules, there's literally no way that you will not trade better. I promise you, you will trade better. Just had somebody today talking about another stock. It was actually Zoom video. I'll show you in just a second here. Talking about how he got the 59-minute trader course, was reviewing it, studying it all weekend, and he said, hey man, I really appreciate it. You helped me make a lot of money on Zoom this morning. And I'm thinking to myself, when I read that, I'm going like, I don't, how did I help you make money on Zoom? Like it gapped down, but there was no real bounce. And then he said, you helped me make a lot of money because I didn't take the trade. I saw it, I was waiting for it, and then it didn't meet your rules. And so I did not make the trade like on a bounce trade. You go short, whatever you want to do. This is all after the fact stuff. But if we look at Moderna here, this is a great example of how you apply a 59-minute trader tactic. The Bollinger Bands right here, these are very, very wide here. You can see where the gray area is. And the stock's been above this 2 standard deviations for quite a while. In fact, if we flip this to 3 standard deviations, the stock gapped up well above that. Well, that is a textbook sign to sell, and you could short this stock. Unlike Tesla, like there are enough shares that are shortable. So the textbook trade on this, the 59-minute trader trade, was literally looking at the stock, how it traded in the first minute. Trades down a bit, you immediately have a high here to short the stock, and then you can wait. I mean, you can wait all day long if you want on this, but the whole idea is you would be shorting this stock, and then you'd be buying it back if the stock broke out above this top here. So you'd be putting a buy stop right here. Again, I mean, you can short the thing down at 170, but you'd have been better waiting for it to fail here. You go ahead and short the stock, and this is a 1-minute chart, and you are never threatened all day long. I mean, this was a 20, even a 30-point easy short if you had that tactic, if you understood how to make this trade. But easy if you're saying, well, I thought it was the 59-minute trader course. It is, okay? So you're shorting right around the high, and you could. I just showed you how easy that was. And then you say, okay, well, I want to get out of here at even at right on the dot at 10:30. All right, you made 8%. If you say, well, wait a minute, I got a little extra time. This is still moving lower. You wait another 10 minutes or so, and what do you have? Now you're at 11%. This is a really good trade, and it's so clear. And so I really want you to take advantage of that. Really take advantage of that course. You have to be a member. If you're not a member, no sweat. Just sign up for a trial membership. Hoodwink me. But the savings will actually pay for a few months of your subscription. So why am I going into this now? Here's why, because I still think there's more room to go on this. I think a lot of selling has kind of bled off today, but this is a stock now that is broken. We all know what the story is. I'm not going to get into that. I'm talking about the chart, not the fundamentals, not the story. That's boring to me. When I look at this chart, this is a stock that got way out over his skis, and now we could see this thing come down another 25%, and there would literally be nothing wrong with the stock. That's what you have to understand. This stock can come clear down here to the breakout point and be fine at $100, 102, and then it could turn right around and run back up. I don't know about that. I doubt it'll happen. But what I do have a real strong feeling about is that this stock has more room to go on the downside. So all I'll say is you've been warned. Okay. All right. That's it. I'm out of here. I'll see you next time.